Imagine the ground beneath your feet, shaking so violently that you struggle to stay upright. Now imagine that before you even have a chance to react, before you can even run, before you can reach a doorway, the earth strikes again. Not hours later, not even minutes later, just 39 seconds later. That's exactly what happened in Venezuela and what has left scientists around the world asking one chilling question. Did the world just witness one of the rarest earthquakes ever recorded? Let's deep dive into this extraordinary story. At exactly 6:04 p.m. local time on June 24, northern Venezuela was rocked by a massive magnitude 7.2 earthquake. Buildings shook, roads cracked, people ran into the streets, but before panic could even settle in, a second, even stronger magnitude 7.5 earthquake slammed into that very same fault line. Just 59 seconds later, according to the US Geological Survey, that second quake released nearly 3 times more energy than the first. The result, entire neighborhood was reduced to rubble. Hundreds killed, thousands injured, thousands still missing. International rescue teams rushed in as survivors searched desperately for the loved ones buried beneath under collapsed buildings. It is now being described as the strongest seismic disaster to hit Venezuela in more than a century. But the destruction isn't the only thing that is shocking the experts. The science behind it may be even more extraordinary. Seismologists believe this may be what is also known as an earthquake doublet. Simply put, one massive earthquake triggering another almost extremely instantly. Think of it like pushing over the first domino. That first collapse transfers enormous pressure through the Earth's crust. If another nearby fault is already under extreme stress, the tiny extra push can unleash another monster earthquake. Scientists call it static stress transfer. Others say powerful seismic waves racing through the crust may also have triggered the second rupture. Either way, one earthquake appears to have set off another, almost immediately. But here's where things become even stranger. Experts say earthquake doublets do happen, but just not like this. Normally, the second earthquake arrives hours or days later, sometimes even weeks later, not 39 seconds. That is exactly what has stunned researchers across the globe. Some scientists now believe these weren't actually two separate earthquakes at all. Instead, they argue it may have been one gigantic rupture, a fault tearing apart continuously for nearly 50 seconds, with different sections breaking one after another so rapidly that monitoring systems interpreted them as two separate quakes. So, was it two earthquakes or one enormous earthquake unfolding in stages? Right now, even the experts don't completely agree. What they do agree on is why the destruction became so catastrophic. The first quake damaged countless buildings. Walls cracked, columns weakened, concrete fractured. Then came the second shock, and those already weakened structures simply could not survive. As one earthquake engineer put it, the first weakens buildings, the second destroys them. Even worse, most of the collapsed buildings were older, non ductile concrete structures, unlike modern earthquake resistant buildings that bend under pressure. These tend to shatter violently. Engineers describe them as buildings that almost explode when they fail. For thousands trapped inside, there was virtually no escape. The location, of course, made the matters worse. The earthquake struck where the Caribbean plate and the South American plate went relentlessly past one another. This fault system has been building stress for decades. The rupture then stretched for nearly 90 kilometers, and according to researchers, it propagated eastward, directly toward Caracas. In other words, the energy was almost aimed straight at Venezuela's capital. That amplified the shaking where millions live. And sadly, this disaster may not be over. The US Geological Survey estimates that there's a 99% chance of significant aftershocks. There's even nearly 1 in 4 chance of another earthquake around magnitude 6. That is powerful enough to bring down buildings already weakened by the first disaster. Scientists are also warning about landslides because hillsides that survive the initial shaking may now dangerously be unstable. Every aftershock could trigger fresh collapses. Perhaps the most heartbreaking part, Venezuela has no earthquake early warning system. Countries like Japan and Mexico can sometimes provide precious seconds of warning before the shaking begins. But here, people had absolutely nothing. No alarm, no siren, no messages. The only warning they received was the terrifying 39-second gap between the first earthquake and the second. As one expert puts it, there was basically no time to evacuate. For now, scientists continue debating whether the world witnessed an incredibly rare earthquake doublet or one giant earthquake that unfolded into two devastating acts. Either way, the images from Venezuela serve as another reminder that Earth's crust is constantly moving beneath us. And sometimes it changes countless lives in less than a minute. If you found this report informative, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in depth coverage. The biggest global stories. Thank you for watching. This is me, Ria Gibner, signing off for Times Now Digital.